Everybody deserves the right to have some type of adequate health care. So I've decided to do something myself. I've decided to, you know, build them a clinic. I'm going to build them a clinic.
This African American beautiful lady you guys are seeing just got tasked to build a hospital for a particular community called Afram Place. Yes, because she saw pregnant women lying on the floor. She saw women being in labor, actually struggling on the floor instead of being on a bed. She saw how children were suffering to get treatment because there were no adequate equipment to treat them. Like, that's sad. God bless this woman wherever that she is, and we pray that more people will come to the aid of these people. More people will come and support in building schools, hospitals, not just hospitals but schools, and some other institutions, because even this particular hospital you guys are about to see is better. Some places, look, some places they don't even have a clinic, they don't even have a place where they can take vitals of patients. This is serious, guys. Let's watch this video.
This is a video that I took when I was in Ghana. So I went to this one particular area, Afram Plains, and it's in the eastern region. It's a very underdeveloped area of Ghana. And when I was there, as soon as I hit that area, I literally thought I was in the ghetto. I mean, because it was just the scenery was just unreal. Now, I've seen some villages in Ghana. I've been going back and forth to Ghana for the past 16 years. So I've seen some pretty rough looking villages, but I had never seen anything like this. And so one of my good friends, the King, he took me over to their local clinic. And that was that's where everybody goes if they're sick. Whether it's children, if you're having a baby, if you're having malaria, whatever the issue is, young, old, it doesn't matter. This is where you go for your health care. And it just blew me away. It blew me away. And the bad part about it is they don't have any electricity. So they get sick in the nighttime or when the sun goes down, they can't go to this particular clinic for health care because they have no electricity. They have no bathroom facilities inside the clinic. It's basically a one-room clinic.
Now, after watching this video, I just felt so sad. I felt so sad that Ghana, that is supposed to have good healthcare system, is actually lacking all of these things. And I'm so happy that this woman is willing to support, is willing to help. These are the people that we are looking for, people that are ready to help the country, people that are able to help people that are in need. God really bless this woman and anybody that have Ghana at heart. Anybody that thinks well of Ghana, may God bless you. It's not just about Ghana, but Africa. If you are living in any part of the world and you feel like you can provide some of these healthcare, schools, and all of these things in a particular African country or a country that needs it, please, let's do well to support, because health is wealth. When you actually go to some hospitals or clinic and you look at the way children are children are suffering just to receive healthcare, women are suffering just to be taken care of. It's really sad. Most hospitals don't have beds. Most hospitals don't have thermometers, like things that are supposed to be in the hospital, they don't have. And that's sad. That's so sad, because in a big country like this, things like this shouldn't have been happening. Even though Ghana is a developing country, but when it comes to our health system, I think Ghana should have got it all, because all these African American people love Ghana. And this woman is actually giving an example out there. Don't just love Ghana, but support. Don't just love Ghana, but support. You can build hospitals in some of these villages. You can build schools. Children are actually learning under trees. You can help build schools. You can help bring water projects. You can help bring feeding programs. These are what Africans, or these are some of the things that Ghana needs. So we are grateful for this woman taking this initiative and actually telling us that she's ready to help and support us. Like, this will go a long way. People in that Afram place are going to be very, very happy because they don't have to go to the hospital in the morning and get treatment in the night anymore. Imagine you go to a hospital and you are not attended to on time, and you just have to go. You just have to go 6 feet. That's sad, you know. When you could have been saved if there was enough equipment, if there was enough things to actually use to take care of you, you know. That's sad, but then we are so grateful to this woman for actually trying to help build a hospital in Ghana, specifically in Afram Place. That's wonderful, and we are so grateful. So, most of the people that are watching us, we still need more. So, if you feel like you can support, please come to our aid and help us build the hospitals that we need to take care of ourselves and save souls, you know. Help us to save souls, because a lot of souls are going due to lack of medical equipment, and that's so sad. So, ma'am, we say thank you so much, and may God bless you. May this initiative come to stay, okay? And we pray that as you have promised, may it come to pass.
Blew me away. And because of this, I mean, I've been in healthcare 38 years. Healthcare and pharmaceutical is my background. I'm 38 years retired from it. So healthcare is very near and dear to me. I believe that everybody on this God green earth deserves the right to quality healthcare. So when I saw these conditions, it literally blew me away. I almost wanted to cry, but I couldn't. I had to keep myself together. But I was like, Lord, this is something that I have to do. So because of that, and because of the conditions and everything, I said, one of the first projects in Ghana would be to build these folks in this community a small clinic. So this video that you're about to see, this is the particular healthcare system in this village where everybody come, whether or not you are pregnant, whether you are a child sick, or you need, immunizations, or you have malaria, it doesn't matter. Everybody comes to this one location in this area. And if it was just mind blowing to me that this is their only option in this area. The next clinic or hospital / quote unquote hospital is about 45 minutes from this location. So if they can't get treated here,
things are really happening. Not just Ghana alone, but most African countries. They don't have enough healthcare systems. Especially if you see a pregnant woman. Sometimes a woman will be in labor. They'll have to put that woman in a wheelbarrow. Push that woman through potholes to the hospital. And sometimes the sad ending comes, because at the end of the day, they tell you, we are sorry. We are sorry. Because the woman actually went through a lot during her labor time to get to that hospital. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, and see you in my next video. Peace out.